In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Canva QR code. If your QR code in Canva looks blurry, won't scan, or sends people to the wrong page, don't worry. This is a common issue, and in most cases, it can be fixed quickly with a few careful adjustments. We're going to go through the process of checking the QR code itself, reviewing the link behind it, improving its visibility, and making sure your final export is clear and ready to use. To begin, open Canva and go to your active design. You can find it from your home screen by checking your recent projects or by opening the projects section from the left sidebar. Once your design is open, click directly on the QR code that isn't working properly. You should see it become highlighted, which confirms you've selected the correct element and are ready to inspect it. Next, check the destination link connected to that QR code. This is one of the most common reasons a QR code fails. With the QR code selected, go to the Apps section on the left side, search for QR code, and open the QR code settings. In the URL field, carefully review the web address. Make sure it starts with https and that the rest of the link is complete and spelled correctly. Even a small typo, missing slash or extra space, can break the code, so it's worth checking this part slowly. After that, improve the QR code's visual clarity. A code may be technically correct but still fail to scan if the contrast is too low. In the settings, make sure the code itself uses a dark color, ideally black or a very dark gray, and that the background is solid white. This gives phone cameras the best chance of reading it accurately. Also, increase the margin if needed. That extra white space around the code helps separate it from nearby design elements and makes scanning much more reliable. If your QR code still looks soft or pixelated when enlarged, remove that version and generate a fresh one directly inside Canva. Then resize it only using the corner handles. This helps preserve clean edges and reduces the chance of distortion, especially for larger layouts like posters or presentation slides. Finally, do a quick alignment check before exporting. Move the QR code into position and use Canva's guides to keep it neatly placed within your design. When everything looks right, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG if it's mainly for digital use or PDF print if you're creating something for physical printing. Then download your file in high quality. Once you've checked the link, improved contrast, preserved the code quality, and exported correctly, your Canva QR code should be much easier to scan and much more dependable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.